And welcome back to this YouTube channel, Arbitrage School. If you're new to this channel but you haven't subscribed, you can kindly do so right now. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't updated you guys on some stuffs like this on Arbitrage. But also, I happen to see this very thing, and I think it's necessary for you guys to understand something on these Binance merchants. You can see from my screen, Binance is one of the exchange having the highest trading volume. The highest trading volume. You can see Binance is having the highest trading volume. But let me shock you that some merchants are trying to ruin the name of this very exchange. Let's check on our Binance and let me explain something to you, you persons. Some merchants are actually kind of trying to ruin the name of this very exchange. So, and I want you guys to be very mindful when buying and selling your USDT. Once you want to buy or sell your USDT, be very mindful because you can get cheated. You can get cheated. Yeah, you heard me right. You can get cheated once you're not very mindful. So what I'll be showing you now, you just have to take note of it. Take note of it, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so right now. I'm clicking on P2P right now. This is P2P. Let's check them out. So whenever you want to buy or sell your USDT, you have to take note of this very thing. You have to be very mindful, else you can lose your money. So this is it. Clicking on sell, you can see these are all the prices. These are all the prices which these persons are selling. You can see from this range to this range, from this range to this range. So from this range to this range. So let me show you something. Clicking on sell, you can see the pricing is still the same, 616.60. Okay, let me show you something. Let me filter this very thing. Let me put a kind of huge amount. Let's say maybe 300,000 naira. Yeah, this 300,000. Let's filter it and see. So just see the price here. This guy Barry is selling at 615. Look at the range, 299 to 300,000. Okay, he's selling at 615. Let's check him out and see. Sell 615. Yeah, this one is okay. Let's check on another one. Supersonic. This is another one. Let's check on this very person. 150 to 1 million. So let's check on this person. You can imagine 614. It has turned to 514. 614. It has turned to 514. So it means you're going to be losing 100 naira per USDT. You can imagine it. So you can see how these persons are scamming. You can see how these persons are scamming some persons. So you can see, once you click on sell, putting the amount of your USDT, you're going to be selling for this very person at this amount, at 514. You can imagine that. You can imagine the high rate of scamming here. At initial state, this was around 614. It now turned to 514. So you'll be selling your USDT to this very person at 514. Let's check another person. Let me go back. This is another person. Let's wait for them. They are always at the topmost. You can see this very person. I'm pretty sure that he's also doing this kind of scamming stuff. Some of these merchants are not to be trusted. That's one thing. Once you want to sell your funds on Binance, you need to be very mindful. Else you can lose so much. You can lose so much from those merchants. Some of them are scammers. That's one thing I must see. Some of them are scammers. You need to be very, very mindful. Let me refresh it and see. Let's check on this person. You can see 514. I think this was a previous person. This was a previous person. Let's check back. You might end up selling your funds at a very lower rate. This is the rate. This is the normal rate. This is the normal rate. This is the normal rate. But some merchants are kind of scamming. They will scam you indirectly. They're going to scam you indirectly, and once you're not mindful, you can end up selling your funds and releasing it to them. So let's check some other persons. Wow, look at another person, Miss Cherry. Look at the rate. 614. 614. Look at, imagine 614.47. Let's check the person out. Imagine it. 614.47. Look at it. 504. So it means that you'll be selling your USDT at this very amount, at this very rate. Sorry, at this very rate. Once you're not very mindful, you can end up losing. So you need to be very, very mindful when you are trying to buy your USDT from any of buying or selling your coin, your USDT or any coin on Binance P2P. Okay, Binance P2P. Okay, some of the merchants are kind of scamming, trying to ruin the name of the exchange. Okay, so but you need to be very mindful. Okay, that's one thing I must say. And let's check on this very thing, because I happen to see that some persons are still having kind of confusion on it. Bitcoin miners exchange is also a scamming platform. You need to be very mindful of it. This very stuff is a scamming platform. It's a very scamming platform. Don't make use of it, or don't do any transactions with them. You can end up losing your funds. Okay, they will tell you that they will convert your USDT to something else, just like BTC. Convert your USDT to BTC. Let's say 200. They will convert it to BTC. You see, converting it to BTC, you'll be getting something like this. But it's a scamming platform. Be mindful. It's a scam. It's a scam. They can scam you. Okay. So once you see anything like this, don't make any transaction with it. Okay, because with this you can be making at least maybe 30 something USDT for this 200. But please don't fall victim. Don't fall victim. Okay, be very mindful of all the platforms you are using. What I normally tell my subscribers is that once an exchange is not listed on CoinMarketCap, it's not that safe to use. This is my CoinMarketCap. Let me show you some of the things which I am trying to explain. Clicking on exchange up there. So you can see these are all exchange. Okay, though some of them are not having full trust score, but at least they are safe. They are safer than those platforms. Those are clone platforms. Once you buy or sell anything on them, you are just at your own risk, high risk. Once you buy or sell anything on them, you can easily lose your money. Yeah, but as of these ones, people do trade it. People do trade on this very thing, and it's verified, it's legit. Okay, yeah, all this exchange you're seeing here, they are okay. They are okay. Unlike this Bitcoin miners exchange, you don't need to make any transactions here on it, because they can just scam you. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. And do well to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're a new subscriber, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, you can kindly do so right now. Yeah, and do well to check on the video description. If you want to join my Telegram channel, I will be dropping the Telegram link on the video description. Do well to join, and see you next time.